we are still awaiting the new partnership of Intel and AMD to help incorporate thin and light laptops with discrete graphics, but meanwhile, the Nvidia GeForce MX150 is the best combination of power and performance when portability is a priority. Asus now claims to have created the thinnest laptop on the planet to include discrete graphics, the ZenBook 13 UX331. Asus also offers an MX150 in its Flip 14 2-in-1, but this new ZenBook 13, which was originally announced last year, is only 0.5 inches thick and weighs 2.5 pounds. The 1080p screen is a touchscreen, but there are no convertible hinge tricks. Asus says it has a battery for the whole day, with up to 14 hours of activity. The MX150 is not going to compete even with budget desktop games, but it should work well with Overwatch and other popular titles designed for a wide range of hardware. With 8 GB of RAM, a 256 GB SSD, an Intel Core i5-8250U quad-core processor, a single USB-C port, 2 USB 3.0 plugs and a microSD card reader, this is a good amount of power and capacity that Asus has packaged in a small package of $999.